Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. So let's see how to create virtual environment for Python in VS Code. So let's get started with by opening one folder. So here I will open my project folder. So in your case, open the folder where you want to create your virtual environment. So I will open the project folder, then open terminal here and then type the command Python -m venv, that is virtual environment, and then give the name for your virtual environment. In my case I will give my env. Now it will take 20 to 30 seconds to create this virtual environment. So see here, I can see one more folder is created in my project folder as my env. Now let's see how to activate this virtual environment after installing. To activate this virtual environment, you have to type the command. First type your virtual environment name, then backslash, then scripts, and then activate. So it will activate your virtual environment, and now you can run any command in this virtual environment. You can install any package using pip in your virtual environment. So this is the first way to create and use this virtual environment. Second thing, now if I run exit or if I close and reopen this Visual Studio Code, again I have to, if I create new Python file, now here if I run this, it will not run this file in my virtual environment. See here, it will not run this file in my virtual environment. So now again I have to switch by using my env script activate. So for that, what you can do, enter Control Shift and P. Now type interpreter. Here you will get the option select interpreter and then enter interpreter path, or directly you can select your interpreter from your myenv, so that it will use this interpreter always without switching to your virtual environment, without activating your virtual environment again and again. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.